Women often express their feelings in subtle yet powerful ways and understanding. These signals can provide fascinating insights into their psychology. When a woman is deeply attracted to you, she may unconsciously lying in certain behaviors that reveal her interest. These actions, rooted in psychology and body language, are her way of communicating without saying a word. In this article, we'll explore the key signs a woman displays when she's drawn to you. By recognizing these behavior, Sue can better understand her emotions and respond in a way that deepens your connection. Common signs of attraction, a deeper emotional connection. Of she's holding her gaze or looking at you more frequently, it's a strong sign that she feels a connection and is genuinely interested. Next time you're talking, try holding her gaze a little longer and notice how much of an unspoken connection can be created simply by eye contact. Second, open body language. Our body language often reveals our true emotions and intentions, and when a woman is attracted to you, her body will likely reflect that. Pay attention to how she positions herself. When you're around, if she leans in towards you during conversation or angles her body to face you more directly, it's an indication that she's engaged and eager to connect with you on a deeper level. If her arms are uncrossed, her posture is relaxed, and her shoulders are open, it shows that she feels at ease and safe in your presence, signaling that she's comfortable and open to further interaction. These subtle cues can give you a clearer sense of how she feels about you without her needing to say a word. 3. An easy laugh. When a woman laughs freely, especially at your jokes, no matter how ly they may be, it's a clear sign she enjoys being around. Your laughter is a natural expression of comfort and connection, and if she laughs thoughtlessly in your presence, it suggests she feels at ease and might be drawn to you. Humor plays a significant role in forming a bond, and her laughter is a strong indication that she's forming a connection with you, signaling her interest and attraction. For casual touches. 5. Physical touch is one of the most powerful and subtle indicators of attraction. If she finds ways to light touches like brushing her hand against yours or gently tapping your arm during a conversation, it shows that she's comfortable with you and open to physical closeness. These small, seemingly innocent gestures are often a way of testing, signaling that she might be interested in forming a deeper connection. It's her way of indicating that she feels safe and comfortable in your presence, and that she may want to take the relationship to the next level. Psychological insights. 5. Asking personal questions. When a woman starts to ask questions that got psychological insights into women's behavior beyond surface level details, as inquiries about your life experiences, your passions, your dreams, or your opinions on more meaningful topics, a sign of genuine interest. This curiosity indicates that she values what you think and feels a deeper desire to know you as a person. She's not simply making small talk, she's invested in discovering more about you, which is a clear sign that she wants to build a stronger emotional connection with you. Adjusting her appearance. If you notice her subtly adjusting her hair, clothes, or jewelry whenever you're around, it's a clear indication that she wants to look her best in your presence. These small, unconscious gestures reveal that she cares about how you perceive her and wants to make a positive impression, whether she's smoothing down her outfit or fixing her hair. These actions show that she's attracted to you and wants to present herself in the best possible light, signaling her interest in you. 7. Nervousness or fidgeting. Even the most self-assured and composed woman can find herself feeling nervous or uneasy when she is around someone she's attracted to. If she seems fidgety, adjusts her clothing, plays with her hands, or shifts in her seat, it can be a clear indication that your presence is having an effect on her. These subtle movements are often her way of managing the emotions and excitement she's experiencing. Blushing or stumbling over her words, especially in the midst of a conversation, are also telltales that she's trying to navigate her feelings and may feel a desire to impress or connect with you on a deep level. These responses often reflect her desire to make a positive impression and demonstrate interest. In conclusion, by observing these subtle signs, such as prolonged eye contact, open and relaxed body language, genuine or casual touches, asking personal questions, attention to her appearance, The occasional nervous gesture'll gain valuable insight into how she feels about you. Once you become attuned to these signals, you'll no longer be left guessing about her intentions or feelings. Recognizing these cues can provide you with a clue of her emotional state and interest in you. Thank you for staying practical. Tips for responding with Usantal Visa Marie. Conclusion. In summary, when a woman is deeply attracted to someone, her behavior often reflects subtle yet significant spikily, holilolori, or oralori or oral cues. These may include a maintaining eye contact, frequent laughter, leaning in during conversations, to mirroring body language. Such actions stem from her subconscious desire to build a connection and valuable insights into her feelings, but it's equally important to respect boundaries and consider clear communication to foster relations. Every individual is unique. While these patterns are common, they might not apply universally.